Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 interesting facts about Korean K-pop bands that you did not know yet. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. 16. EXO's Chanyeol was part of a ferret lovers club in middle school. 17. Girls' Generation's Tiffany and Jessica were born in the same hospital in San Francisco. 18. None of Lovely's members have any brothers, though they do have sisters. 19. Stray Kids' Jisung nearly died while swimming in a river jungle with crocodiles when he was young. 20. One of the names Mamamoo could have debuted with was Belly Button. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.